Good morning everyone. Government Degree College, Narsapur, Medak District. Principal Dr. P. Damodar Sir, Department of Botany, Jignasa Student Study Project 2023-24. Supervisor Srimati B. Rukmini Devi Madam, Assistant Professor of Botany. Myself K. Power. Let me introduce my team members. Navya, Nikita, Saraswati, Priyanka and Srivani. Title of the project: a case study on community seed bank, a strategic approach for conservation of agrobiodiversity. Introduction. Seed bank definition: a seed bank or Janata bank is a place where suitable conditions are maintained to conserve seed species of different plant species, like wild or cultivated. In the seed bank, there are three types of conservation: short term, medium term, long term. Short term, seed stores for 3 to 5 years. Medium term, seed stores for 10 years or 15. Long term, seed stores for 50 years or more. Next, continued by Navya.
Community seed banks. Community level seed saving initiative have existed in many countries around the world for about 30 years. Multiple functions and services provided by the community seed banks. Definition: a community seed bank can be defined as a locally governed and managed institution whose core function is to maintain seed for local use. They have been designed to conserve, restore, revitalize, strengthen and improve plant genetic resources for food and agriculture. CSBs handle major and minor crops as well as neglected and underused species. Three core functions of community seed banks: conserving plant genetic resources, enhancing access and availability of local crop diversity, ensuring seed and food sovereignty. Is continued by Nikita.
Object is to conserve indigenous seeds, to ensure food and seed security, to revive the endangered species and thus conserve biodiversity, to promote traditional farming practices, to identify climate resilient crops, proper documentation on traditional farming and transfer of knowledge to future generations. Next, continued by Saraswati. Study area: Master village is located in Jalsangam Mandal of Sangareddy district in Telangana. It is situated 7 kilometers away from Jalsangam Mandal Tahsildar office and 58 kilometers away from district headquarters Sangareddy. As per 2009 stats, Master village is also a Gram Panchayat. Jairabad is the nearest town to Master for all major economic activities, which is approximately 11 kilometers away. Methodology: exploratory research methodology was used for this project. The goal of exploratory research is to discover ideas and insights. It is conducted to provide a better understanding of the situation. For this project, we have followed the case study method. Individuals are interviewed. The data was collected through an interview. The collected data was documented and analyzed. These are our field visit photos. Next, continued by Priyanka.
Result and discussion. In these community seed banks, they are preserving millions, pulses and oil-yielding crop seeds, and they are having more than 80 types of seeds in the community seed banks. In each millet, there are more than 2 types of varieties are available. If the farmer of the village from outside village asks for seeds, they will share the seeds with them and ask to repay in double the quantity is 1:2 ratio. The moment farmer said that they will store the local varieties. Before the storing of the seeds, they will clean the seeds by removing debris like the dried plant parts and the soil particles, etc. Maximum storage period of seeds is less than 2 years. After the 2 years, the storage period of seeds will not lose viability. The scientists also conducted the seed germination test and declared that after 2 years, the seeds are viable and shows a good germination rates. By this, community seed banks have provided seeds for several hundred acres of cropland. To store these seeds, they prefer the clay pots and wild palm tree plant leaves and bamboo baskets, mud bins, etc. In these baskets, they will use neem leaves as a bottom layer and ash is used as a second layer. On these layers, they will keep the seeds and store it. The study reveals that the most of the farmers have a favorable attitude towards this community. The reason for this favorable attitude may be the availability of local varieties and availability of seeds in low cost, reducing fertilizers and pesticides cost. Due to the above reasons, habit of seeds and saving seeds or exchanging between farmers is increasing day by day. Next, continued by Srivani.
Conclusion: it is evident that the community seed bank can not only conserve seeds but also provide low cost and the high quality seeds. Various crop types to smallholder farmers. Smallholder farmers is interested cultivating indigenous varieties of crops. They do prefer local seeds to their resistance to common pests and the pathogens. Moreover, modern varieties costly require the applications of chemical fertilizers, pesticides and irrigation facilities. Seed security and food sovereignty is achieved in this village through this community seed bank. NGO DDS is guiding, encouraging and helping the farmers, members of seed banks, to maintain and manage the community seed banks. DDS authorities and agricultural research center scientists
creates awareness on the conservation of plant diversity. Training to the farmers on seed storage process. DDS also conducting workshops on preparing value-added products. DDS creates awareness on market strategies of the value-added products developed by the farmers